Hey guys, RobzRandomStuff here. Today's special guest RJ is going to show us how to use regular distilled white vinegar. Put a little bit in the glass just for having it ready. And an egg. Alright, just tap on that egg. Let's show them that it's real. Put as close as you can to the lens. Focus in. That's a real egg. Alright, so we know there's no trickery going on here, Robert. So explain what's going to happen here.
Alright, so by doing this experiment, the goal is to dissolve the eggshell so that only the egg white and the egg yolk are showing, but it'll still keep the general egg shape, but it'll be more like a ball. So by the time this is done, it's gonna be like a rubber ball that a dog would play with usually. So yeah, we're just gonna put it in and see what happens.
Do you think it'll bounce? Is it gonna be that rubbery? Is it possible?
Probably.
Yeah, guess we'll have to try that out too, right?
And this will generally take about 3 to 4 days.
Oh, okay. So we'll have to do a couple check-in videos throughout the process and check, right? All right, it's easy enough to do.
Yeah.
All right, so basically the only ingredients we need are
white vinegar, a cup, and regular white egg.
Brown eggs work?
They probably will.
Probably. We'll stick with general white eggs, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go ahead and put it in the water.
All right.
Just kidding. It's vinegar. Good, gently. There we go. So what you want, you just want to cover it. You don't need anything, you don't need any excess in there. All right, well, we're going to sign off now. And like I said, we'll check in once a day, quick video, and we'll see the progress. You can see we're starting to have a bit of a reaction already. The vinegar is starting to
bubble
a bit. Let's get really close here. Hopefully, there we go. Looks like it's carbonated almost. Pretty neat. All right, so we know there's a reaction. We know it's not water or anything fake, so that's good. All right. We'll check in and tomorrow, and we'll see how it looks. Don't forget, like, subscribe. This is going to be an interesting process. Tune in. All right, guys, we're back. Robert's going to do a little check-in here. See how we're looking. This is day, well, full day one. You can see the egg not quite as white as usual. What do you think? So I see lots of bubbling and reaction. It's been bubbling like crazy. All right, Robert, let's see if we can get really close, see if we can, go ahead, check it out.
The shell definitely got a lot softer.
Yeah, can you what if you put your fingernail in it a little bit so you can see if it's good.
Yeah, it definitely got a lot softer.
Yeah, we don't want to take it out because we don't want to take a chance of smushing it because I don't know the condition of the inside. It's probably still raw egg, but definitely doing something, right? So what do you think? Another day, maybe 2 days?
Yeah.
All right.
Probably 2 days.
All right, we'll check it again tomorrow, right? After school. And see what happens, right? All right, we'll see you in 24 hours, which in video time will be a couple seconds. Don't forget, like, subscribe. All right, guys, day 3. Definitely looks like we have some changes. The egg looks much bigger. Probably not sure you can see that, but definitely bigger. I got a spoon in here, pre-placed. All right, it looks pretty funky. All right, stick a finger, not too hard, but what do you think?
It's definitely a lot softer,
Yeah.
and it kind of feels like a rubber ball.
Here, press down again, not too hard, but so I can see. See, it's flexing, right? Yep. Definitely soft. So, all right. Good to know. It is working. It's looking a little bit, there's some spots. We're gonna let it go one more day. And it should be more than good. And then we'll cut it. First, you know what? We'll do a bounce test. And then we'll cut it in half and see what it looks like. That should be interesting as well. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. and your time will be 1 second. All right, guys, we're back. Day 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what this thing looks like. We get right into it here. See if we can get that out yet.
Ew, that feels gross.
Does it? All right, here, I'll move this. Oh, it's somewhat translucent. It's weird. Let it roll over a bit so you can see the bottom and stuff. This is going to be light. Definitely weird. Let's touch it. Definitely soft.
And it looks like that we met our goal in the beginning.
Yeah.
It looks like it dissolved the eggshell.
Check it out, Robert. Feel it. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Looks like it dissolved the eggshell.
All right. It's definitely dissolved. And it's like a very rubbery consistency, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's weird. So, I guess let's see if this baby will bounce.
All right.
Just lift it up, lift it up like a foot. Let's go for it. Good. Lift it up and drop it on the plate. Oh my goodness. All right, we need a close-up. That is an egg that's been pretty much dissolved by vinegar. Not dissolved, but morphed into something we don't know what it is until we're going to get that knife and cut it open, Robert. Let's see. Saw it a bit in case it's going to squirt. All right, that was...
Oh, what?
Really weird. This is what happened. The shell turned into a skin. Now that is weird. What does that feel like, Robert?
That is weird.
And there's the yolk. So that's some...
You could probably still eat this egg.
I don't know.
But it probably tastes disgusting.
It's been sitting out. That was not refrigerated at all. So that was a weird thing to happen, Robert. I was not expecting that, were you?
No.
No. That's crazy. All right, well, that's cool. So that's what the looks like. The yolk intact. The white turns into very liquidy. And let's see the shell, what's left of it one more time.
It's very slimy.
Yeah. Weird. Very weird. But it bounced, which is even weirder. So it was like kind of popped like a balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of popped like a water balloon. All right, well, that was an interesting video. We'll just cut it off right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Join us for the next video, right? Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next
Vid.